list items pythons. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Accessing the items, the list items as indexing are using access the by of referring to the index of numbers. Index by using index numbers. Access the index numbers. This is list apple, banana, cherry, and this is a variable's name as a containers, and this is list name. Okay, this is a variable's name, and using access the data by using indexing, and this is a one means indexing. This is a 0 index, and this is 1 index, and this is 2 index, second index, and access the data, then automatically get the data by using seconds of banana. Okay, then change the data, then 0, then x is the apples. Okay, this is apples. Okay, this is a by using a indexing. In the indexing syntax is a square bracket under the index number. Okay, this the first item has index is 0. Okay, this is a first item index by 0. Okay, negative indexing means meanings will start from the end. This is last one. Okay, last one means -1 indexing. Okay, -2 -3 indexing. Okay, this is -1, x is the first item. What's a cherry? Okay, cherry. Okay, and next is range of index. Range means you can specify the range index, specifying the where you start, where you end of, and the range. Range means length of strings, and when the specify a range, the returns of value we new list of the specify the items by using this one. Okay, this is a list totals, and this is a variable's name, and this is variable's name, and this indexing means starting and ending. Okay, starting means 2, 2 means 0 1 2. Okay, and ending means 5 3 4 5. Okay, 1 2 3 and 5 q. This is a indexing. This is change the data, and 6, and automatic change the data, and one more increase melon. Okay, one more increase this data. Okay, the search will be start index is 2 included end of the index and not indicated, and remembers that the first item has 0. Okay, this is already explained. By leaving of the out of the start value, the range will be start of the first items. Suppose that not indicate the first value, any numbers 0 1 2 no any number, but automatic start is 0 0 to 4, 0 to 4 not mention is a starting point, but automatic value is 0, assign the 0, and ending is 4. Okay, 1 2 3 4, and just opposite this one, just opposite, starting is 2 but ending is not mentioned, but ending and automatic is last point. Okay, while leaving the out of end value is range will be go to, and this list automatic range is ending points axis. This one automatic is range is ending points. Okay, range of negative indexing means negative means minus. If you specify the negative indexing, if you want to start the search from the end of the list. Okay, search from the end of the list. Okay, the example return the item of orange -4, but not including mango -1. Okay, this is a starting points. Starting points means this one mango, and this is ending point -4. Okay, this is a starting points. Okay, -1. Okay, orange is a starting points -4. This is a -4 1 2 3 4 orange, and -1 is a ending point is -1. -1 means this is melon, only 3, 4 -1 3, 3 value was returns. Okay, but change the top this one, suppose that 4 and suppose that 4 and 1, this is automatic is blank. Reason is -4. -4 means 1 2 3 4 is a orange, and -1 is a reverse direction are not mentioned, and automatic this one is reverse orders are so, then -1, and this is remove this part, and automatic reverse part, automatic all reverse part, mango, apples, melons. Okay, -1 and doubles, this one is double. and automatic reverse format. Okay, this is mango is first melon or reverse directions. Okay, how total 2 3 types of reverse sortings, and by using an index functions reverse this list. Interview question is create a one list and reverse format. Okay, reverse format by using index functions. By index using a -1 and automatics reverse this part, automatic all parts is reverse. This is interview questions. Once we created a list and reverse and check it item exit. Okay, hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, understand now all parts this one.
Yes.
Okay, then last one is check if apple is present in the list using a if conditions. If conditions all mention is other part, if else conditions this parts. Okay, depth knowledge in if else condition, but if apple in this list means variables list, variables. Okay, apples print yes apple is the fruit in the list. Okay, this is a messaging purpose. So okay, this and try it, and this is yes, condition is true, then print it. But condition is false, suppose that this is this one, but condition is false, then not print data. Okay, this is blank, reason is this condition is false. Okay, not satisfy this conditions. Okay, not included a apple ap. Okay, okay, note down this all parts. Okay, hello. Okay, next class is tomorrow. Okay, hello.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.